Change is constant, inevitable, and for the better. And those who choose to embrace the new are destined to lead, while those who sit idle become obsolete. New technologies improve the way we live, the way we play, the way we work. But it's not one size fits all. The question for a business like yours is, how do you embrace today's advances while being sure they'll work for you down the road? The answer? You work with people who look out for you by exploring all the options, who show they're behind you by keeping you ahead. You go with Ryder. From alternative fuel platforms to digitally enabled fleets and mobile maintenance to connected maintenance facilities, at Ryder, we have taken the industry lead when it comes to innovative fleet management solutions. We know the landscape of commercial vehicles is changing dramatically. That's why we're investing today. We're here to help you, thanks to strategic partnerships with industry-leading truck manufacturers, as well as advanced vehicle OEMs. We're testing and implementing the most advanced technologies to manage your fleet better. From remote diagnostics that anticipate maintenance events in your vehicles before they happen, to voice-guided maintenance applications, our service facilities and technicians are equipped with the most up-to-date tools to deliver you the best customer experience and maximize uptime. And many of these technologies are also available through the industry's only modernized mobile maintenance fleet that conveniently delivers our expert maintenance when you need it, where you need it, day or night. Our focus on innovation doesn't end with just vehicles and maintenance. We're making it easier to digitally manage your fleet too. Why? Because we live in an online mobile world, and we believe you should be able to manage your fleets with the same ease you manage other parts of your life. That's why our fleet management app, RyderGyde, lets you check the status of your fleet, schedule maintenance in less than 60 seconds, see real-time fuel pricing, access emergency roadside assistance, and more, all at the touch of a button. The end goal? Like everything else we're doing, to give you the fleet of the future today, so your operations run smarter, better, and faster to maximize uptime. At Ryder, we're giving you more flexibility and control. Because change is constant, and we're here to keep you ahead of it. Ryder, ever better.